Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept payments from Square into Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Square dashboard on the website or mobile app. Then go to settings and then bank accounts or deposit settings. Now you're going to select add bank accounts and you can enter your Bluevine routing and account numbers. Of course, you can find that in your Bluevine dashboard under account information. Now choose your deposit frequency. Could be daily, weekly, or you could just choose a custom frequency. Square may verify your account with a small test deposits. Go ahead and check your Bluevine account and confirm the exact amount in Square to complete the connection. Once verified, all new payment processed through Square will automatically deposit into your Bluevine account on the scheduled frequency. Monitor deposits in your Bluevine Transactions tab to ensure funds arrive as expected. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.